This fucking Alita person. She thinks she knows everything. I'll show her how tutorials should be made. Short, simple, concrete and precise. Alice is smart. Alice will make the best tutorials ever. Now how should they be named? Yes, the name will be Tildas with Alice. That's a fantastic name. How could Alice figure out such a fantastic name? Alice is so smart, but this makes Alice tired. Now it's time for some music to relax. That's such a fantastic song. I love it.